guys, it's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity, and today I am going to be showing you a few embellishments that I've released on my shop, my Etsy shop, for fall. So I wanted to come on here to show you guys what I have so far listed in there right now at the moment. These are some fall leaves. They're from engraved on wood. They're 116 MDF. And these are the leaves. You get 12 in a pack. They're beautiful. Something. There is also acrylic word, family portrait. You can add this to your cards or your albums or layouts or whatever project you're making. It's made from 1/8 acrylic. This is a veneer explore embellishment. This is one of my favorite embellishment. Well, I love every single one of them, but this is one of my top ones. I just love the way the engraving looks on the veneer. Then it has an adhere acrylic word on top. This is 1/8 of an inch. And then it also has 3M adhesive in the back. So it is ready for you to add to your projects. And it doesn't have too much dimension, which is perfect. So that's for that one, Explore. I also have another Explore with just acrylic word and a smaller veneer embellishment that comes with it. If you don't want to do the large veneer set, you can do this one right here. This is from black acrylic. We also have the Blessed and Thankful, those tones. I love the colors. I feel like they go pretty well with fall collections. This is a collection by Paige Evans and it goes really well with that. This is also made from acrylic. This is all for all you, let me see here, all of the pumpkin spice lovers. I love everything, I heart everything pumpkin spice. See, I heart pumpkin spice everything. It's super cute. And it comes with these two wood pieces. This is 1/8 of an inch. They are engraved. This one says pumpkin spice and this is a little pumpkin spice cake, a slice of cake. I don't know, I'm not sure if you're able to see it properly, so let me just use it on a white background. There you go. And it comes like that. Okay, so this is also listed in the shop for the fall release. And for those of you who's asking about the Christmas pieces, of course they come in. It's just that I'm running a little behind, but I still wanted to list fall embellishments and Halloween, and I got those done. So now I'm moving on to Christmas. And I will also have sequin mixes and stuff like that. This one is On the Road, is a veneer embellishment piece. It also has the 3M adhesive in the back of it. So it's ready for you to adhere to your project. If you were looking for something that it doesn't cost too much bulk, this is pretty good. The next one is the Great Outdoors. This is a green. It's gorgeous. Then it comes with 4 little pieces of veneer, the camera, the trees, and a little map. So pretty. Love this one too. This one is Grateful and Gratitude, so it would be something like that. Okay, so for the next one, we have Pack Your Bags. Now, a lot of us are going on vacation right now, going places, visiting the family. So I think that this was very good. A cute little bag that comes with it. This little suitcase and a little passport. The veneer also has the adhesive in the back of it. This one says better together. Moving on to the next word, this one says let's go camping. And it comes with a little tent, a little lantern, and a little sign that says hike and camp. See, focus, there you go. So hike and camp, little lantern. Oh, it's getting out of focus. There you go, guys. So let's go camping, a little tent, and a little lantern. Super cute. The next one, it says campfire fun. Comes with a little fire here, and then the, oh, why can't I remember what that is right now? I'm blanking out. Marshmallow on a stick. So it is super cute. Okay, there you go. And this is also from 1/8 of acrylic and the veneer. Falling for fall has a little O on wood, which is so cute. I love it. And it's engraved also. Okay, I love the colors of this. The very fall colors. I have Thanksgiving season. It comes with this one. You have the option to get it in this color, or this one here, and it comes with a little pie. Thanksgiving season, so it just depends on which color you like the most. Okay, the next one I want to show you guys is this pumpkin patch. Comes with a little veneer piece attached to the acrylic. Falling for you with the little wood embellishment pieces. These are from 1/8 basswood, so they're super cute. These are like the fall leaves. They're from 1/16 of an inch. Pumpkins, they're engraved. They're ready. Comes 6 in a pack. Takes a while to engrave, so I'm offering 6 of them in a pack. These are cute little sunflowers. They're also engraved. Super cute. 12 in a pack. Then the word capture the moments in this beautiful, beautiful color. I cannot remember the name of the color right now, but it is gorgeous. Capture the moment. And then you get these 3 words right here in this pack, this set. It says gather, family, and capture. Capture the moment with the family, gather around the family. Perfect to document the moments right now that we are going to be experiencing. Or maybe to document last year, Thanksgiving, or other things. Doesn't have to be Thanksgiving, right? Birthdays, celebrations. This one says cozy sweater season. It comes with this color, a scarf, and a cute little sweater. Or it also comes in this color here. I love them. I don't know which one is my favorite. So far, both of them are my favorite. I love the colors. Okay. And then I also have a heart confetti, which is this one here. You get 3 of each colors. Then you also get this one. This one has like glitter inside of it. So pretty. And these are the colors that are throughout the collection that I just released of embellishments. And there is also a little birthday release. Like, I'm sure I will be adding more to this. So this one, it says happy birthday, celebrate birthday wishes. And I have packs that come with the Say Cheese collection right here. Little giraffe with a little present. Those are veneer pieces also. So let me know what you think about it, guys. And I would really appreciate it if you go and follow my Etsy shop. I will go ahead and leave the link down below where you can find everything that I just showed you and other things that I have listed previously from a Halloween collection. Or if you would like to favorite my shop just to see the things that are coming up in the future for Christmas, I have things coming in from confetti. I'm gonna do sequin mixes, acrylic words, veneer pieces, and I'm doing other things. So I will see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.